All right. Good morning, all my fishing freaks and family. Well, the day is here. The day we launch Hard Charger Fishing. So, current time, 2:35 a.m. We're going to meet up with our boys, Corey and Jacob, about an hour and a half away from here. First things first, though, we got to get some coffee. Y'all stick around, because Hard Charger Fishing starts right now. There he is. Can't see nothing right now. We had to park the truck way the heck out here in the pasture last night because I can't crank my truck up next to the house. Wakes up my kids every single time. So I gotta park way the heck out here. So I believe we've got everything loaded up we need. We got my brother-in-law's kayak that he is so graciously letting us borrow. Ooh, cooler. We definitely need that. All right, so let's go back up here to the house. We'll grab the cooler, and I think we are ready to go. And of course, we get to racetrack. It's, what time is it? 3 o'clock in the morning. What's the one thing a fisherman needs at 3 o'clock in the morning? I mean, come on. All right, come on now. Please don't let me down. Bingo. Perch hitting this thing like crazy. There he is. God. Oh my God. Are you kidding me? Woo, yes sir. Yeah. Don't you do nothing silly. Don't you pull nothing. Yeah, buddy. Yeah, buddy. That's what I'm talking about. Here we go. Get some of that, boys and girls. I'll take that. Not a giant by any stretch of the imagination, but that is a beautiful, beautiful fish. Bloop. Oh my God. Holy crap. Corey's got a good one on. Corey got one on. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. What have we got here? Okay, that is the third fish that I have foul hooked. There he is. Oh no, no, he's running to me. I think this is another freaking perch. Yep. Are you kidding me? There he is. Jeez. I saw her come up and get it. You little sucker. That's a giant, freaking giant crappie. Oh my God. That's a freaking crappie, dude. I kid you not, dude. I'm keeping it. Oh my God. On a crappie jig. Yeah. Holy crap. Oh my freaking God. Yeah. Coming home with me. You know, we have thrown everything we can think of. Everything. From lipless cranks to spinnerbaits to, I mean, just everything you can possibly think of. The most successful thing for us this morning was poppers. You know, the Yoziri popper was the money lure for me this morning. And then I figured out, I was like, okay, maybe they went a little bit deeper when that sun came out. And sure enough, I put on a weightless crack and crawl from Guggen Squad, and it produced several fish. My batteries on my GoPro were dead, of course, so I had to go put them up and charge them. Finally got them charged, and here we are. The fish are not biting. We've got a fresh battery. We're gonna make one last ditch effort to make this happen. Okay. You wouldn't think paddling through this would be too hard, but it's like paddling through mud. And every single time you get this on your paddle, oh my gosh, it is literally like, and you have to shake it all off, and oh my God, this is absolutely horrible. No, that was not happening. It was way too thick. The grass was way too overgrown, and I couldn't even penetrate that grass. So I'm gonna go down here and give it one last ditch effort. Oh my gosh, I got a fish. Oh my God, I had a freaking fish on right here. Right here I had a fish on, and I got my head up my butt and not paying attention to what I'm doing here. All right, we're getting some solid bites right here. Tell you, man, this crack and crawl, you've heard me say it 100 times in this video, but this crack and crawl does what you need it to do. Okay, I can see a couple pockets that I have a feeling are holding fish. Several of them over here. But it is super shallow back up in here. Boys are still down there. Corey is down at the dam. Hunter is out in the middle. Oh man. We gotta figure out how to catch these fish, y'all. We gotta figure them out. The fish are probably deep, but I don't have many soft plastics with me. Let's we're gonna go run down to the other end, and we're gonna run a chartreuse square bill crankbait down. There he is. Finally. Look at this little guy. Look at this little guy right here, y'all. He's cute. He's cute. Boy, look at that barely hooked lip. I mean, barely. What a stud of a fish. What a giant. You're gonna be a pretty little fish one of these days. Sweet. So, all right, so where are you at? So what's been most productive for you so far?
So far, I've got to say, when it got hotter, I went to the Texas rig bug.
Okay.
Kind of like a crack and crawl, and
okay.
And I got on them that way.
Yep.
Whenever it got dead out here, but in the morning, buzz bait was killer, and my swim jig, this Guggen squad swim jig was killer.
So I think this morning we all started off on top water. You were mostly running a buzz bait, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So Corey was running buzz bait and just slaughtered them. Jacob, I think as well, was running either a buzz bait or
he was a buzz bait and
whopper plopper. He was using the whopper plopper and of course just annihilated the fish. I was using the Yoziri popper, the 3DG Yoziri popper, and had a lot of good luck on it. And then I think when I caught that crappie,
yeah,
I cursed us.
You cursed it.
I cursed everybody when I caught that crappie. And so ever since then, it has been like an hour. It's like one fish an hour. So, you know, it is what it is. But hey, it's been a good day. I will call this a good day by any means. So
I think we all got at least 10, right? Probably.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
Right, sitting right now as it is, I'm sitting at 14 right now. But I think we were all around 15, between 15 and 20. So other way. To end a long, hot day of fishing in the jump in. All right, thank y'all so much for tuning in. I had so much fun making this video. You know, huge shout out to my boy Corey Brown, Jacob Robert, you guys, dude, I had such a blast. It kind of stinks because all of my outro footage, I wanted to explain what kind of lures we were using. I wanted to show you what kind of lures. I wanted to show you all the details of what we were doing. I wanted to show you the line we were using, the knots we were tying. Had all kinds of outro footage, and of course I get to the very last little bit, film all the footage. I get home and for some reason, all of the footage is gone. But hey, that's just part of it. It's part of the learning process. So number one, thank you guys for sticking around this long. I had so much fun making this video. Thanks to my wife for letting me go out and do this. Thanks for Corey and Jacob for joining me, putting us on a little honey hole of a pond. We fished this place before and it's really produced. And you know, I'm sure we'll be going back there. So again, thanks for sticking around. Hey, y'all do me a huge favor. Reach down there and hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, and even more importantly, hit that notification bell so you get notified every time I put a new video out. So y'all be sure, reach down there, hit that notification bell, hit that subscribe button, hit the like button, all of the above. It really helps out. Thanks for all the encouragement to be able to start this. So many of you have been like, yeah, you gotta go for this, you gotta go for it. It's all about pressing record and getting the content out there, and I'm loving every second of it. Thank you. So this was for you guys. It's only gonna get better from here. Thanks so much, and I'll see you on the next one.